Hi students, today we are going to learn about polynomial chapter from grade 9. So before enter into the polynomial chapter, we learn about algebraic expression. So what is mean by algebraic expression means by using one variable term. Variable term means alphabets. Alphabets from A to Z, whatever the alphabet we want, we can use it there. So by using the variable as well as the numerical values. Numerical value means numbers. So both variable and then numbers we have to use. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா variable term-ஐயோ numbers-ஐயோ with the help of fundamental operation. Fundamental operation என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So by using this fundamental operation, variable and constant together if we are making one expression means that is called as algebraic expression. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் algebraic expression. So the general name of algebraic expression is called as polynomial. Generally we can say that as polynomial. So next பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா we can segregate this polynomial as three different type. மூணு விதமா நம்ம polynomials segregate பண்ணுவோம். So how to segregate that means based on the terms. Terms எப்படி segregate பண்ணலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா based on this fundamental operation. For fundamental operation here I am writing x plus 2. So x plus 2 means because of this addition this expression is divided into two terms. ரெண்டா பிரியுது. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is one term of the expression. This is the another term of the expression. So totally how many terms are there means two terms are there. So for example, if I am writing 7x. For 7x I am writing means in between of 7 and x there is no symbol. அப்படின்னா that is multiplication. So this is called as 7x. So it has only one term. Okay, so if I am writing 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. If I am writing like this, this is one term of the expression, this is the second term and this is the third term. So fundamental operation, one algebraic expression divided into number of terms. So based on the number of terms, we have the types of polynomial. What are that means? Types of polynomial. So what I said based on the terms. If I am writing only one term 7x, what is the name? அதுக்கு பேர் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா monomial. So what is it? It has only one term. ஒரே ஒரு term மட்டும் இருந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு பேர் monomial. If I am writing 3x plus 2, இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா two terms are there. This is called as binomial. So this is called as binomial னு சொல்லுவோம். சரிங்களா? Next if I am writing three terms means for example 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா three terms are there. So this is called as trinomial. So more than this, இதுக்கு பதிலா இதுக்கு அதிகமா number of terms increase ஆகும்போது we can say generally that is polynomial. ஓகேங்களா? So one term is there means monomial, two terms are there means binomial, three terms are there means that is called as polynomial. So the general name for the algebraic expression is called as polynomial. Next we have to go about the degree. So what is mean by degree we are going to be learn. So what is mean by degree means one algebraic expression while you are writing. So I am writing now 4x squared plus 5x plus 7 if I am writing. So first we should know, நம்ம என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா power value means what? What is mean by power value? So first we should identify the variable term and constant term. The number with variable, numerical value. Number கூட variable இருந்தா this is called as variable term. This is also called as variable term. This is called as constant term. Okay, so in this variable term, for the variable, we have some power value. So here x is there. X power value is 2. But here x is there. There is no power value. No power value means that is called as 1. Okay, so out of these two power value, in the ரெண்டு number, which is the greatest number, 2 is the greatest number. 2 is the greatest number. So out of the power value, நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்க expressionல highest power value is called as degree. So what is mean by degree means highest power value. So highest power value of the particular expression is called as degree of the polynomial. So degree means highest power value. So if I am writing now 5x to the power of 4, 3x cube plus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. If I am writing like this, இப்போ நான் இப்படி ஒரு expression எழுதியிருக்கேன். இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா what are the power values means 4 is one power value. 3 is another power value. Here no number means 1 is power value. இப்போ 4, 3, 1 இதை மூணையும் கம்பேர் பண்ணோம்னா which is the highest number means this 4 is the highest power. The 4 is the highest power value. So what is the degree of this particular expression means degree of this particular expression is 4. Degree of the particular expression is 4. So degree on the polynomial 4 nu consider பண்ணிக்கும். So what is mean by degree means highest power value is called as degree. Highest power value is called as degree of the polynomial. So based on the degree of the polynomial, we can identify what are the types of polynomial in that. So based on the term how we are segregating monomial, binomial and trinomial, the same way based on the degree also we can segregate what are the types of polynomials are there. So types of polynomials we have more types are there. Okay, so first one we can consider as linear. First one we can consider as linear polynomial. So second one you can consider as the quadratic polynomial. So third one we can consider as cubic polynomial. After this we can consider as biquadratic polynomial. So all these types of polynomials, how to identify means based on the degree. So the degree is mandatory. Without knowing the degree, we can't find the what type of polynomial is this. Degree என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்ம types of polynomials என்னங்கிறத identify பண்ண முடியும். So I will explain that. நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadraticங்கிறத how to identify you will see now. Listen, if I am writing now 7x minus 3. Okay, so here only two expressions are there. That means two terms are there. ரெண்டு term இருக்கு. இதுல x ஓட power value பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1. So what is the degree of this expression means the degree is equal to 1. Degree of the polynomial is 1. இப்போ degree 1னா அதுக்கு பேர் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா linear polynomial. இப்போ degree is 1 means அதுக்கு பேர் linear polynomial. Now I am writing the another expression that is 3x square minus 5x plus 7 we will write. So while I am writing this expression, இதுல என்ன highest power value? Highest power value பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2. அதனால இதனுடைய degree என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் 2. So this is called as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next I am writing another expression 5x cube minus 7x square plus 9x minus 3. So in this polynomial, which is the highest power value means 3 is the highest power value. So what is the degree here means degree is 3, that is called as cubic polynomial. So like this I can write more expression. So if the degree is 4 means that is called as the biquadratic polynomial. So based on the degree we can identify the polynomial as linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic we can mention that.